Are you aware of the fact that making your own juice at home can be very good for your health? Because first of all, it is tasty, healthy, and less sugar intake, you guys. Welcome back to Patience Cooking. If you are new here, please share, subscribe, and comment. And today we are making a carrot juice, one of my favorite juice, because first of all, carrot is particularly known for supporting our eye health. It aids digestion and potentially reduce a lot of chronic diseases. Imagine you making your own carrot juice at home and just enjoying it with no sugar intake. At least you are sure of what you are taking in. So I went and first by cleaning my carrot and chopping it into pieces. Then I put it in a blender and add 1 liter of water and blend this until it was well blended. Guys, have you ever thought of the fact that because it is summer, people just keep taking a lot of stuff until when it's winter is approaching, you've added so much rain and you're like, what am I going to do during this winter? But if you have the tendency, the capacity, or the mind to be making your own juice at home, you will realize that even when you're going maybe for a family trip, or maybe when you are going for a picnic, you instead of going to the store to get some juice, you can make this and take it along with you, and you'll be taking what you know and knowing that it is healthy. So when I was done straining that, I went straight to my papaya and I cut it into two, peel it and make sure it was well peeled, and then I chopped it into pieces. Are you also aware of the fact that papaya will help to boost your immunity, improve digestion, promote your heart health, and potentially also reduce the risk of certain diseases like cancer and chronic diseases? So now think about the health benefits of you making your own juice at home, especially with something like carrot and papaya, and then take this into consideration and start living healthy. Because when you do this and you know what you're taking, your body just accepts it. Your body glows because carrots make your body glow. So I went for that to put this papaya in the blender, and then I added some cinnamon, some lemon extras, some vanilla flavor, and then added 1 glass of milk, and then with the carrot juice that we already squeezed, and it was ready. So I blended this, and before you know it, our recipe was ready. Try to make this at home and let me know how it turned out. I see you in my next video. Love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye for now.